Joining us now is Simeon Siegel, consumer equity research analyst at Guggenheim Securities. Simeon, great to see you.
Good to see you guys. Good to be back.
The market is not really trusting the turnaround story here. What is the market reacting to in the moment? And I guess in your mind, what is it missing?
Yeah, so listen, it's an interesting opportunity to come back and take a fresh look and see where stocks are. And we know I'm a glutton for punishment, so here we go. No, but I think that there were two things at play here. There's North America and there's China. And so you spoke about China, which is not good. No one's going to think that's good. And China's very important to Nike. North America was really good.
What's it?
So North America, you saw a 9% revenue growth. Remember, this is the whole Nike has flooded the market with classics, with Jordans, Air Force Ones, Dunks, and they're never going to be able to grow again because that hole is going to be so big. And they grew. And they grew for the second quarter in a row.
Why? What's going on there? Is it running business? Is it?
So it's funny. I think a while ago, in my last lifetime, you and I spoke about how I think Nike right now is facing very similar issues to what they faced against Adidas 10 years ago. And when Nike faces competition, they first flood the market with their classics. That hits a wall because it becomes over-distributed and diluted. They then create a competitor rhyming type of a product. Nike's new Vomeros, big foam sole.
It looked just like the Hoka shoe, yeah.
You said it, I didn't.
Yeah.
But they feel comfortable, right? Big foam sole. And then Nike has an incredible marketing budget. When Nike actually has product to deploy and a story to tell, they're very hard to compete against.
So you know what this makes me think? They got to get rid of the China business. Why not?
Just get rid of it.
I mean, the market is telling you. The market is telling you. The shares are down 10% today. They are down 55%
Well,
in 5
Starbucks
years.
is doing it, right?
Seriously, why not just be like, why? It's clearly a millstone around this company's neck.
So now you'll get Elliott Hill on the show, and you can pitch that as your banker. There you go. You just teed it up. No, listen, I think that China has been a very important part to any global brand, whether it's luxury, whether it's Nike. There's a lot of people that are willing to spend a lot of money. And the problem was China was always not just the fastest growing, it was the most profitable. I don't know that you walk away from that. I think you need to figure out similarly, by the way, the US, North America was down last year too. And so what you need to figure out is how do you reset this base? How do you do it fast enough? And then how do you build back up in a healthy way? Your way is really creative. It's probably right. From my perspective, I think if all of a sudden we lost China, I think that would be another story. But I think that what they need to do is they need to figure out what's Nike's greatest benefit? It's their budget. It's their size. It's their history. And so their ability to outspend the competition makes it very difficult for anyone to win on a recurring basis. It's easy to win every now and then. You come out with the Hoka product, Cloud from On, right? You get a Bondi from Hoka. Like this, it's hard to find and to always put out the number one product.
Yeah.
It's not hard to then compete when you know what product you're supposed to be playing against.
How should an investor set his or her expectations, though, about where this stock can go at this valuation? You know, they rebase their earnings.
Yeah.
So we're talking about, on a forward basis, whatever it is, 230, 240. That was earnings in fiscal 2017 for the stock.
Yeah. I think we've spoken about companies like TJX, which are never going to be able to give you material earnings upside and are never going to be able to give you material multiple upside, and yet the stock keeps going higher. It's a great business. You sleep easy at night, and you keep pushing out your numbers. This one, you keep pulling your numbers forward. And so I think if you said to me, confidence that this is the end, confidence that we are not lowering our numbers again, I can't give you that confidence. Sure. But I think that's what this is. Now, if this was a lesser quality business, that would be a huge problem. And by the way, the stock has been stagnant to down. Yeah. And so I think it has been a problem. But I think the idea here is if we believe, because we had the same conversation a decade ago, right? People thought Nike was over when Adi had the Ultra Boost. If you believe that that history is going to rhyme, it won't repeat, but if you believe it'll rhyme, then it's a question of when, not a question of if. If it's a question of when and not of if, people will come back to this. Yeah.